guys, today I will be unboxing a black fire fidget spinner, and it looks like a ninja fidget spinner because it has the sharp corners on it. Spins really smooth, and yeah, the bearings, they're black. Yeah. Now, this is not metallic like the last video I showed you, but I will be doing another one of these. It's a Bluetooth fidget spinner I'll be getting soon, and yeah. It's really smooth. Yeah, I got this from a yard sale, and the caps on it. It has a basketball. They're fire, You can't really push out the bearings. It's kind of hard, but it's been super smooth. Oh, whoops. It fell. It slipped out of my hands. Yes, it's been super good. And yeah. I can see that the caps look like it on exactly like the whole thing of it, cause the body looks like the caps of it. Yeah, and it's been super smooth. You can get these online. Yeah, maybe on eBay. Just look up basketball fidget spinner, and this might pop up. So yeah, I just wanted to show you the unboxing a basketball fire fidget spinner. So I'll see you guys next time on my next video. And yeah, you can also see me on Christian with S4 Gaming. Go subscribe to him. He got cool videos. And yeah, peace.